Hello, I'm Ben Fritching, founder and co-owner of the Brazos Valley Comic-Con in Bryan, Texas. This year we are coming back with a terrific show, but with your support, we can have an outstanding show. Your contribution to this campaign, among other uses listed below, will help us secure guests that will draw in people from across the state. The more people that are drawn into the con, the more successful it will be, and the more successful the con is, the more likely we can continue to bring it to you year after year. Please read over the details below and check out our reward tiers. As they become available, we will add more tiers, as well as adding rewards to the tiers already listed. Take a look at our Amped tier, exclusive Adam Kubert badge art. No other con in Texas has had that to offer, but guess what? We've got that for you. In the top tier, you have the opportunity to own the original artwork from Adam Kubert. And all the other tiers are just as fun and awesome as that. Head over to our website, stxcon.com, to see more info, and give us a like on Facebook to stay up to date on announcements. We truly appreciate you taking the time to stop by this page. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you.